To say no, you were 3 types of prepaid meters. Then there were a system. And to say, oh, my area or what?
Okay.
So, now you have type of prepaid meter, and a team on way responsible for that. Now, quickly, you to me, I check it directly.
Okay.
Because say now units was so, and after all, scar was so that. What do we need to do? I say transfer back prepaid so. If we be finalization, say to me, yes, I have finalization. You are, I say, meter now, yes, as a son. A whole Jumanian, I
Okay.
Say a whole Jumanian, I are. Then it means, say, to me, I check here who say, postpaid now you 2 years. Now consumption was only so much. You share payment, no, on the council. And I hear payment on what you have an abroso. So, and I'm first say prepaid first one PNS and only assistant on the new one above that. You ever say that's our previous pay and smile prepaid meter. Now our units and now we scout. And the check who be when I say a transfer about new one so. Say now the car was automatically a transfer. The same way say now credit was also a transfer about. And the message say oh may particular area na or send you 3 types of prepaid meet you should know able to me a take care team or more directly responsible able to me more na say transfer be our quickly my mom.
Okay, so be the message by the same issue. If one more we use to be meet and Montiano, a kind of pile now will be a home. Aquaji on one meter. Anyway.
Oh, next time say before on show. Sa adiana I am compare myself to man I. But I don't have any job. You see, it's a attitude. Master say yin. Say open meter now by PDS. There catch also be if our church train kakra. Now meters a be no a be ba maybe this period until a be more. Yeah, yin but training and we are in a hurry to obi how ba or buy and one be our sinifia we and I say or per separate meter she tears all the man. Say that material moment when your man pay I saw copy baby. I don't know this acquisition of illegal meters in the ban. And I understand the man or more ton meters no any opportunity to sell. Because now who go see ya check now or more so Obi afechi so many be amount. And people are so happy with many be amount. At any cost, no ajo. Boom. No ajo. And people keep complaining. Obi aje me 250. Obi aje me 3 million. Obi aje me so much. Nina is because you need the patience to wait. Meaning sebi. Meters in your Ghana. So meters in your crafty approach never. Say you prepaid, say you postpaid. Nina, you if you want to say, oh, banner, so you are short to a current year, so you have to mine. If you are what you are genuine, what you are now receive. Messages and you have to not train. It's not say, meaning I say, why in that material moment? You don't lose anything. Meaning I say, as soon as say, a wild fee of crown was seen, or community, will be here meet and share. Fine, but if you don't get that material time, you don't lose much. And yet they will lose you. Because look at the number of years out there sit down. When you have the patience to wait and crazy down we are not dancing electricity or buying a train and they're now both full. What's the name? The same way if you are with him, if you are a new tenant, I feel no about. If you are ground wouldn't name the dynamics in the house. What's the open electricity open meter change for my yes, it will be to Akoto. I mean, you create a whole problem for us because electricity is a long term. Every month by month till the kingdom come. It is how bad yes, at aroma meters no train the beer random economy be the ammo. Now what change na I just say there and then no be more. And yes, I be near obi so be more be at 20. No akoto. Na nipa na also otonama wo no in the first place why juice ka boom that is not a price over PDS and yes and dey be more.
Okay.
Number 2 ade na wa akoto no Now the quack of war how monk run illegal with me of Yashi. Everything of your washi. And then number 3. I didn't know the cover all overloading system because the beer, you may be at the more beer, and they are checking the electrical systems in now together. Now, the young who said because of illegal meters, your lines here were almost load by heart, so there is always imbalance in the system. Your blue face like you line and was saying, oh, my pian at Lord Nako Guswa, much as say.
I am from system.
No! And they create problems until they be a transformation. They be a transformation on the board back on, meaning a botch the way. Easy.
Okay.
So,
but I do
it's a more high and power.
Maybe call me listeners, no, but we say, or say, almost at the MFI on 1 5 rooms. Now, almost bills near too high. I'm told 250 Ghana cedis a month, prepaid now. To me for Moon Chakra, or for you know, Osikani, a brasso. And on free on the day.
Oskani near Master and say, normally, I am 5 rooms to the door. And yet the consumption. So, how much more consume of your any addiction? And it is obviously be more consumption near high. But some swan, no more baby. Near somewhere and say somewhere rewiring.
Okay.
If you know, because somewhere wiring is a more position meter. This is a meter back on the whole, and I'm your number for say you are spending too much on electricity. PRC regulation just say consumption be per month a year 200 units be they are entitled to another meter.
Okay.
Which means say consumption be every month be most spending more than 200 units, which is about let's say 150 Ghana cedis. So you need data know her. At least you are entitled to another meter.
Okay.
And you say more and more rewiring. Now Free Energy Commission for more inspection who say rewire na more be BI correct. The Energy Commission for Abelma Bible my Belmon say can you know better to me a hashi we fiashi a jumam washi I mean too many fire address. It is an attend the Energy Commission for no Embramo say answer all the application by PDS and our former electricity company of Ghana. And someone making sure say wiring be beyond correct.
Okay.
Sending a major number. Intimate on your rewiring, normal Energy Commission for normal approve. Or the application by PDS. You better now more.
Medasipa 0541576162 0200771417. Obi wa mwana so hello. And council. Now, hello. Okay, next one. Hello. Yes, hello. Hello. Yes, I'm not you. You. What's the mood?
Okay.
Okay, what's it? We 054156. Hello. Hello. What is your baby also? Adam Nara, Adam. Say a poem, me pacho friend in front of mama. That's all this year. Next call on the line. So Alex here. Illegal, you know, and okay. Still illegal. Let's call her. Hello. Hello. 0541576162 0200 771417. Hello. Yes, sir. Talk baby. Talk baby. Casa hit you. Hello. Yes, sir. Major so. Hello. Yes. Afra. Hello. Yes, sir. Major so. If I show radio sets, no, we're doing an answer reload on my wife. Miss me over everything. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Nana. Yeah,
talk with me.
Nada the power. Nada. I get back to enjoy Monica, communication director, and that's all Matamo Sanaka fine. My sister will go and look to the new said, Omoma prepared Mitano, and Busso, the Dia, and Fredia, and Fanco. I have a family who say, Mitana, and so, that is one of the Cairo. Oh, Yago, and for Mitano Sodia, what is to my book depending, actual idea also. The one is a war policy, no, I said the Dia, the development of phone calls is what they may have to say. I should say, what is the one I don't know, not yet down. And I get also with you. Mitano, the woman father, wife procedure, I continue Sanana, and when you children will start catching up. Because I think that Ghana for any time, not the for so much the over. A woman will go for. Now, when I took one out, I was small money or more office war. Let's go for a woman to win it. But now, a more intense, it can be part of that. A woman 1 year, it's not that. A woman winning that for nothing, a woman who got for that also. That's what we did.
Mr. Dr. Baby, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Yeah, for saying after free here, now the Adams, as I say. You too. Postpaid and prepaid. Okay. They need a card be a shame, then a shame. Prepaid, no, a card that's home.
Old one.
Yes. Okay.
It's never
okay.
My address you quickly.
Okay.
My address.
Okay. If I just want to say, baby.
Me bacho on the ten say old prepaid no. Their friend the P&S Pay and Smile. Yeah, Etienne say, I mean whether it is old or new or postpaid or what. There are certain taxes be over a uniform, and then they utoya na ati. Back way service charge. Service charge, you know. Normally, the first purchase for the first month of any month, for first purchase near to service charge. So I know you one. And there are two other charges. Street light levy. And rural electrification scheme levy. Need to know 5%. 5% of energy charge. Until I know the first purchase no.
Of every month.
Of every month. Okay. And nothing be alcohol. The son will be cast or cotor, your man or cacrebi. But your subsequent purchase in that same month, no. Yeah, because you can't.
Also, cotor 100, but buy 37.
The ten say beer, I suspect say beer running for 2 months.
Oh, okay.
And 2 months, 2 months, no service charge. Any national electrification scheme levy, street light levy now. One say, one who say you've lost something.
Okay.
And as I say, no, per be a bit of use to say smart G and IMS. Your deposit scan, my fans, August or 200. This time round, the 100 Ghana cedis in the Gusu. To who say, we meet on 100 Ghana cedis in the also. And as you consume, we say scan a bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Now, depending on how you use the power.
Okay.
And it is under the so hard. The air you say, we are out by Basna want to. I got so, Johnny, okay, but Ubekom Becom say, Biana, if you hold wire, non leakage you. Now, leakage you must have to say, would the bucket akun so na e kwan da ho won say gradually so no drip down so to me say o be call time bia na so no so ate e wo bucket ma to so won say kwan bi da
bucket na say okay
and the master say I must check all these things because as far as the units consumption any tariff calculation BBI prepare.
Okay, that's it. Hello. Yay. Yeah, not me where pa. Kuwait to him ewo. Science if you kote MCC kote see ono say and so un trap picture me. I just put inside. I'm so much ball out and I so put my share my was it. Who know? Say one. Could they see it? They say, now saying that this how you send it. Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Yeah, it's Olori. Hello? Yes, hello. You too. Okay. Hello. Hey, it is you. All right. Parliament. Okay, hello. Yes, sir. Yeah, hello. Yay. Black. Okay, Black, it's you. Miss Medas, let me forward a member, senior. Maybe I was in Sabia. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Now, Mr. Question is if you go 1 2015, 2016, there's 4 days in it. I'm going to move to food here. I'm a trainer, or yes, or more, also, I'm going now, okay, the American is a big city. I remember the state when this is in life to meet air captain. No, somebody who now about 1 million old than it. And I'm the top of the war. But really, the square time I can't. Next month, now it's 101. And the side of the ground to read the movie young regiment to go to the person. And they're no mind. Let's have 106. I'm sorry. The Kobe for some not here. So they found my 5 of no such a 35 million. I'm not my phone. Much of the challenge here living out what the Dam months maybe about. It's the idea of the about and much of an local disease. I can't back a 30. I make up let me tell you this, no more. I say this,
Okay, so we just wait for we now. What's what do? Major so. Okay. Medasipa. Elder.
Yo, medasi. Me chatty phone na mchavia. Minia bedu tani mini boating so on my idea. Also I idea for this discussion. Mimusa 1 or 2 bina on person 10. But kwa mi busa no efa say enura de no follow up kakra bi. Say government agencies, big company corporations no any individuals no atesem minia o hedi bia no watnya chem kakra e maybe bama em this be ba papers any other say government agencies be edit the kakese corporations be the kakese in the whereby individuals to be etimi atwetwia obon de enanano anam de follow up whereby individual be etimi atwetwia omode can it have a negative effect on me newa individual yet 300 400 500 yet me tria na government agency there was a time TVB me correct with me obi otie with me correct as the parliament crowd there was a time I TVB say MZ life issue be aba on mo MZ ka the how come say all this nitimi accrue na individuals no edma ebia mo betimi iden actually na almost de na palia because on sika na palia no say na menu achem na ye de betuetua greco ne other agencies nika and so government agencies parliament ni other big corporations on giska gesem na individual bo ne de 200 300 ne de mika no ma ba betwem nti bia menu abetimi achem kakra bia na omo a de bills ne pon atam to omo tan fanko me say me ana me ya tax me kono makutua ebu atuma tema na me sankan ede ebia nya me nkoa bebre omo mfa nko a ebia no advice bi ba on me say me ntra ho ewumu ana ma me ankasa na makọ instead of say me ko bu akwa no masoma enzema omo yi ho station go ne akutua me tumi na mabada nyame ebia o advice de ma omo a bese no a omo mfa nko ntem no a so be better on more own use and now say betwa excuse me obedeka ometua ni adia ombetimi amobi aisha ba excuse me act unprofessionally some of them me use no sir attempt to gree na bia nipa no pese so ready kra nipa na ready obi ready o pese o ma me nko na me nyeden me gotua ana se bia na me ni ho ana wo genuine concern se bibi se ndi na bia me gotua na me ni ho ana be no kra nye de emai me hu me bill enso bia na omo aba so mba bitwam wo kan den ya omo ntiase on be acting unprofessional we ya den ya yes ya tuma me say me mra bitwam ana se bia wo dika enti bia esa nipa no bia na oje no concern akwabra bia na nsanka be say the making wo hunu ni ade so o se yes me nye den me betwam enti chinchia bia na nipa na ready
yeah
so
it was simple
me onti debi
okay
the way on be sia acting ni ade no ya na emwa enti kwan bi da ho no mba so betwam and obi ahia no ma ne genuine ne concern ne genuine omuti no me the last one is how long no be insaka ne bela at least me saka ne no be 2 or 3 how many days be na ss one kutua at least ese yetimi etwam me okay me don't want to pa me
okay Mr. Bedu
yeah me
see the boy is your front
no say me no super they said the golani exam
man
meet me oh
and then yes am so dem
say my pa who ya me market oh yeah dear
man we very free to na membra me do asipi na ne ten say the last question me dey feel about no say how long should customers how long should it take before they have disconnection? In fact, for postpaid customers, once I can't bill now, about the stamp will be to pay at once. Just once I can't bill now, so good here. As it's trendy say, postpaid, no, normally you the power no credit too. The first day na to 20th. As I said, the accredited wa. Na be ready meter no. You be ready. It takes us 2 weeks to process the bill. And the 2 weeks are 14 days. And first day are to about 30 days. Near be pick reading no. Near the 14 days. I prepare bill no. I deliver. And do the 14 no be counted this one. I thought 42 of
42 days
42 days of consumption. And I be on say 1 month 30 days. And the amount extra 2 weeks account. To once they buy and near the stamp is pay by this date. The reason is when your opportunity to accumulate all these things are to the end of the month, you have some 2 extra weeks of busu. And as far as the business is concerned, meaning you can every weekly activity, and they have all this length of time. But again, I concede say sometimes we be now so can be on maybe genuinely, maybe a meter reader nurse or deliver no for one reason or the other, and maybe a delay. But whichever the case is, maybe I can say, Obia genuinely to electricity bill no. Or account or company no. Ubo di krana, you can go into the system and it will pop up. Ubi out here previous records are there. Do trace katuma. Now be on a we just debit credit and debit to account. Now balance it. Wouldn't have be intimacy say whether the bill is delivered in the case of postpaid, whether it's delivered monthly or not, uniform consumption pattern. So you can just be paying into the account, sir. Enko for how be ama but obi o ha sabi mejitum sabi 24 sani nyina nyefe ti obi o ha bosun so obi nya secretary obi so ha di mreka kransa enti ni nyina we take all these things into consideration but obi o be na so said onti kra obi so ha sabi ntokwa kunhu ne manso twen basa bi ni adade na one wo twen eno na eduru ha ti se na kan we send a team discussion team na. They don't ask because you know who that customer is. You know, sebi tia oni eti. O person you can na ba person tuaka. Eno de ba If you cry, you are disconnected with that. So we know your history. Thereby, we don't ask you anything. We go straight to the pole and take you off from there because we hear can yeah, the man who you suba untiaka. If you are broken, and the end be on our person, yanka. Papa be can, customer be can say, what the cabe or cabe 1,000. Now, a banner see, obey to 300. Young Crawford, no, they are not professional, they are not courteous and so on and so forth. We accept that. Sabi, what the cat 1,000. Now, me balance will be to 300. What the hobby? What we'll do is I will take the 300. Why would disconnect you all the same? But what must say? We'll take the 300, all right. And then if I now buy or by disconnecting, or not to me, this scam. Because he's not supposed to, he's not coming to collect money. Near the Jumano. And that's the kind of person over general. I saw my receipt, official receipt. On to me, when you're cashier. So on to me, this kind of my official receipt. Najuma or I say, yes, or may disconnect you. And to be a buy a crashing passion, Mrs. Mikakutia. And tea, my breaker cry. Now, Kakutia as well. What the cat 1,000 to 300. And to me, your alibi, I say, because we are going to pay 300 into Yamau, Yanso Kanyan, no. Yeah, I can't have Buregua. In here, Scanona, almost all the pound ban, Edia come on, Yin to say, out of 1,000, you are paying 300 in Tianso Mount. We'll take the 300, all right. And who was said as a customer to go and pay. Now you receipt. 9,700. Now how you can pay off the 700. And the occurrence you run pacho be a say anything percent 1,000 on it 300. More me bear 2 months and now 1 month. Now me infant maybe your my one if you are more leave will be in 2 weeks or 1 month's time. We expect to be 500 account on the can swat. Now they also change things here. 1,000 1 break on 300 now be 20 years and some more. Meaning I do the end say big.
Me to an man we never bought tea for. More advice on say obey ma who you so like.
Sure.
Into Bomodina say
Coco
tia ma me and Cassa.
Me so me
advice on mommy.
Mr. Wa Obia Wutie. Sabosume so. Now Sanka, especially postpaid customers. Obia only prepaid. Prepaid you pay upfront. They discount go meet and so amount of voice. But how the entities are a prepaid, a postpaid? Mr. Men try to so. And Casse, media may train, and I may train. Why to an amount of your mama paid you? Now support Chebi. So, when you say every month to be an we use 200 or 300,
you should like
Coco Tria. Your account at the better mamma. Be on the bar, then it pays up. And to Mr. Mama, you to I feel my choice on the baby. Obviously, bills no distribution delay. Any meter readers in Becassa because a woman of the bomb no read the Omson or more. Eddie bills on the bar. We'll make sure, say, this time round. Be an event professionally, and yeah, to go. Okay. And some of you know, more than who Sakai be brave. Nothing, all kind of government agencies. Say, Omuntia, and individuals to Omutiano, and one Scar say, you're turning around. I mind my companies in there. I mind to scam. No cray woman says the same. Almost say I buy a piano can you nice. Almost because we more to but almost it's a parliament, any prisons, any security agencies, any other places, you know, under government, you know, there. You bet me the answer say they are almost through with full payment of all their bills. And yeah, to me, so I say, what the encanting, say. In any case, say, yes, Caboti, Bia, they are a Juman Puntunuma, can say, Bia Banana or this Canaba. So, projects near who do I ye, any other say, I buy a guarantee I'm a what, who just got there. Now say, yeah, Kumasi, I say, yeah, big project worth over $21 million. I did transformers, 3 poles, 3 conductors, cables, and name them. And then materials be bring, yeah, new substations, yeah, renovating be bring, see new ones. Nina buying a guarantee mine. And normally I buy any electricity bill no some na was in the can because a fakese na no provide funding for us. Enti akasa me no be no individuals no any companies no ye mom le be ya fam de na yetumi ama adwuma no akoso afi no we nua ba konso bi se ba se ebedum kane na ye mon kane na omo ne ma se wo fridge no eno de ne o ya adwene because na mre no me nua se wo sika se de so hwesu nye se meka no na announcement se de no meka ye o ma horo tu yeah, it was a control already. Yeah, announcement.
This almost on the 17th.
That's right. What is that?
I'm
16th. Ochina ebe ejuma. Ya bon kai yede. Thank you. By PRC regulation, we're supposed to let the public know within 72 hours. 3 days. I say bon kai ya man for whom. Until 3 days time no and Sunday to me ejuma. Until this prepare. But if you have many, you need to control.
Tell them no now, can.
Ha. Say so be caught it in Humabu form, and as a carrico bupo, and as a transformer because she designed to make us illegal meters. You almost Lodua Napum. Why she transformer? I don't know, sir, the intimate say transformer neighbor.
Okay.
And also the
right. A very copper, but Kafam Ghana Limited, the only television set I would do the aba. Bajopi, what they call what is in the Manasukra TV, Biato, a Kafam Ghana Limited crew from and our more a Omani crew from magazine anymore. Okon Christ, a Crash Central, Vinabio, Sasa, Chimota, Legon, Nakuma, Noyarifa, Nungua, Kaswana, Takra, there's one more branches of home. 0244 019518, 0244 019518. And 0500000106 nene car from Ghana Limited and Koshi Emu Rainbow Hotel Pachopi Hotel Papa Ghana for Ajo 2 million. We do Rainbow Hotel we do bed down we all do park your car and power bed that's all air conditioned rooms come doing a bit local and continental dishes and then Rainbow Hotel or more SMN car say or more introduce shawarma and a pizza and to the bawade so far on lunch no do for mo have lunch supper breakfast ni na no ekoyi aduane bia opibia Rainbow Hotel we na no ho for 0502 844 555 0502 844 555 and 0248 926 360 0248 926 360. Amazing Training Foundation, Simin Koso and Kyle said, and then one more Egusua, Tetiana, or more Ebabetti Tiano and Tichano, or the Basson Chair, soft drinks, a craft to print and Tadia, a craft so a seminar hood door, any in Kua hood door, a bar soap, toilet soap, a lot of shower gel, and take a home. And seminar would be brave, Quam of us in our church, and that was when you scale bottom. 83 days and ASR church. I will be a friend of biodigester training, and also 3 days and on day HH biodigester. Unia Sasika Sabia, Unia Iron Rose Bia, Daphne 2 Maho Sabia, David, more cow. If a church 3 days every show, which me I be Wabi, we you feel not we this mouth for Jessica a good bottom, open with after day. But they frame a Amazing Training Foundation for 0244 879 355 0244 879 355 and 0544 253 400 0544 253 400 now 0245 183 389. Now come on. And from now my review is a high sense. Afcon promo no from the 18th of May to the 19th of July. Also top high sense product TV. Let us say who boss the bear blaster basically talking about Ghana. 0302 5500 0302 5500 Oko Kumasi City Moa. When a high sense product in business, a doom so Falkland dynamo, high sense product in the product be a woman clients be a television set, another sound system, and as a phone, more than a quality of UK, US, and Germany standard. And Tibomade, Nakwaji, or the 10. John Venu. I'll say you guys are really doing a great job. God bless you, Nana. Greetings to what? Kuna man hine, okay. Nana Kunedu Yadom Kumenim the 4th. Okay. Is that do? Brothers, consider conclusion.
Yeah, two key ones I want to do that quickly.
Okay.
Now Bibi say let's open meter obresa. Demand and supply issues.
Okay.
Now demand very, very high. But Mejitum, I said they say demand high, we should meet the demand. enti mestre say ye gusua ye name I mean management kasa say ye be here more meetings enti won so gu hihye so I am sure say within the next few years no as we come about meter and any between.
Okay.
Because one major resource is here. Say never need between us one month for you. Now, so in business center. Now say obi titi wa fa meter one open meter. Now cobra for has ya ko who has message. Then no obi can say o to me chiro say ko ni pass mo so ko to bi bra. Me so mo mo ami ntimi hihye sa microphone. Because beyond there's something like that. Say oti office na ya ma meters nyo de nyo na koto if you bottom edwuma na wo ye edwuma no a employ no tools na wo use na what divert ton man crofo go bottom nua ye ti he ye ntumi hu I just said wa akọ na abetumi abeka abodin a kire say department si ha na wo say ni say the course wo je bi say ye chi ne pa nua the next day o beto no ho bi ye be yi na de yi crofo di da enti mo moen now can the general idea it's very difficult to have specific evidence I will be incriminating the park.
Okay.
The master meet and gen and yet
okay.
Near moment a quire of wire fasuchi. 2 fans are quite a swat. In and I toy. But we do too sometimes a send amount for complaints as an engine Eddie. I feel that the other one the members of Beckham was and I know more of social issue.
Okay.
I say a quite best a bit my boama. If you are Romaya and meter home, send it to Quania, you bet me I am holding. It's very painful. Now, I think one major issue still an amount for acceptance. If you are for so, or
sure.
Obia to electricity bill. Oh, if you run, just don't tell electricity bill. Mr. If you are for Obia to electricity bill. Say omo atifi ho ni tua electricity bill mo wan say you sika enka wo dwapa de no eye sika wo gigi na wo de abema abre company because company no on bill electricity every day anya say afiesu wana electricity ni mu a obi am han enti se nkania no ba fie ho a enche se nkania no esika no eka wo rent a wo je no eno ye sika wo gi in the name of aban.
Okay.
Now they are come a buy na company na dey nkania ne ba no say na be na bribia no so betimi ade aso plan nkania eti message say fie wura for no omu ntu omhofo
okay
na ommoa tenants omu ni omu tifie no na say wuntu ya light bill a who say ye won so say de wo yusu kania na so watua
all right
me say be about
quickly enough
yo I'm saying a doctor can be a voluntary payment. Sorry, elder. No semen country boss. No more voluntary payment. The Sunday I can. Obia yesra man for this year. Obia nyano or mambapa. So unya bella, but more than the Sunday elder cano. Or no or yet near a voluntary payment. So bella bow. Sabibi nesikwana bell crying to me amba. Unim so where you so. But more than a call. So near Shimo. Na yenye day yen more work and mouth na bomo de na ide na tua na wait the one very quickly very ye obika as a friend say pay and smile no say near kabemu no em say me boss can be brave akra bi wo ha me de ka ho oma use pay and smile no your bribi wo my friend breaker so and I feel your 2 parts your consumption or purchases and I feel or consumption Ribiano and say the Biao Kota and so purchases no and the consumption no a pet.
Okay.
What to say Biao Kota 20 units. 20 units no a son, I was said breaker no a triple. So not just or units na there as something out toy no. I was set mechanical parts no so every 20. A Biao Kota 30 the car. A do what 30 no son, I was said breaker no a triple. Not we no so. Every day so koto 30 the count. Reading a bed 50 our mechanical side no.
Okay.
Na ebi baby ana break and fault abemu. So ebi awakoto bi account 50 wakoto another 50. Edu 50 no sign no break and fault abemu to and triple sa o kanya no enko off.
Okay.
Na just say unim san ko off no nti na eja say enso de na wafa ho na who use but mechanical part de na reduce ko nti o ma na wakoto kakra ni esese uto no obi wo kokro nto bi krada ebe ready sa ebi na could do 500,000 from 50 reading mechanical side that could do 1,000 now purchases no and that's so 50 okohwa they will strike the difference between the 50 and then the 1,000 that just auto be a check that's why you so sa it near the difference no you be calculate units no cash no near the amount near say e ka wo
okay
na amount for ntia se sa na eba nti obia sa ebi wo ko na edu ho akoto nia uto no to no apepepe enti so eda amount for
all right
at the end of the day somebody na say say wala tini numa e prepaid na esisu na numa and just say when you na before them
okay wait here that me that's the
one day wait here you mun go to here yeah
me hu beto so me din the number to me do then one day dey be concern me we nyame atma Ghana mo che be 12 so maka